Welcome to Miss Wow, where style meets moments. Today we celebrate Buttercream, mother of the bride dresses, soft, elegant, and timeless. This creamy shade flatters many skin tones and shines in photos, from gardens to grand halls. Expect tips on fabrics, fits, and accessories that make you feel confident. Please like, share, and subscribe. Now let's glide into sweetest ways to choose a buttercream dress that honors love and comfort. Let's start with fabric, because it changes everything. Buttercream chiffon feels light and airy, perfect for warm weather and outdoor vows. Satin gives a glow that looks polished under evening lights. Crepe drapes smoothly and helps hide lines. Lace adds romance without stealing the spotlight. Mix layers for movement and coverage. Always rub the fabric between fingers to test comfort, breathability, and whether it wrinkles easily through a long celebration. Next, think about shape. An A-line dress in buttercream flatters most bodies by skimming the waist and hips. A sheath gives a sleek line for modern settings. T-length keeps movement easy and shows lovely shoes. Wrap styles adjust as you breathe and sit. Jacket dresses add coverage without bulk. When trying on, raise arms, sit, and take steps. Comfort plus confidence always beats trendy styles that feel stiff or fussy. Buttercream looks best when it matches the day's color story. Check the invitation or ask the couple about the palette. Warm buttercream pairs beautifully with gold, champagne, and soft blush. Cooler buttercream leans toward ivory and looks great with silver or pearl. Hold the dress near natural light to see undertones. Bring a swatch to florist and makeup tests. Balanced tones make photos cohesive while letting the mother's kindness shine. Accessories can elevate Buttercream without overpowering it. Choose comfortable shoes first, then match shine with jewelry and bag. Pearls make a classic pairing. Crystals add sparkle for evening. A soft wrap, capelet, or tailored blazer provides coverage in cool weather or church settings. Keep metal tones consistent. Add texture with beaded clutches or satin headbands. Test everything together in daylight to ensure colors align and nothing reflects harshly in photos. Getting the right fit makes Buttercream glow. If you are between sizes, choose the larger and tailor down. Shapewear can smooth lines without squeezing. Plan for alterations 4 to 6 weeks before the wedding. Check sleeve length when arms are raised. Necklines like bateau V and scoop frame the face softly. Sit, stand, and dance in the fitting room. A well-fitted dress looks expensive, even when the price is friendly. You are ready to choose a Buttercream mother of the bride dress that feels elegant, photo-friendly, and true to you. Choose comfortable fabrics, flattering shapes, and coordinated accessories. Share questions and wins in the comments, and tell me what to cover next on Miss Wow. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below, and I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.